Welcome to another SVG Tech Tour. We're excited for this one. It's focused on transmission, and we're honored to have our SVG Transport Chairman, Adam Whitlock of ESPN here. Adam, how are you, man?
Doing well. Glad to be here. Thank you for having me.
Good, good. Well, I am glad to have you here, and we're going to talk a little transmission tech here. Curious, let's start out. What technologies or products are you guys looking for right now? Or if you're not, looking for anything specifically, is there anything you're just super interested in exploring?
Yeah, there's two things that really grab my attention. One is the automated production for diamond sports. I haven't really landed on something there that meets the need. Would love to see some of the AI that's built algorithms for baseball and softball. I think that'd be ideal. The other is really just high density compression capable of supporting 20, 40 paths, and really regardless of what the compression method is, to be able to do that in a nice compact form would be a huge help for me.
Very cool. All right. Well, we're going to find out about some compression, some distribution, some contribution solutions here in this first round of Tech Tours, and we'll be back here with Adam in just a few minutes.
Hello, my name is Melanie Sullivan with Channel Marketing with AT&T's Sports and Entertainment Vertical. We are very pleased to spend the next 5 minutes with Sports Video Group as we highlight some of the innovative things we are doing with sports, the end-to-end fan journey, sports broadcasting, and delivering that premium content to the fan. I'd like to introduce our speakers today. First up, we have Kevin Griffin, AVP of Sales, AT&T Sports and Entertainment, and Dave McDonald, Director of Technology and Innovation, also with AT&T Sports and Entertainment, followed by Scott Beckett, Director of Global Video Solutions. And with that, I'd like to turn it over to Dave and Kevin.
Thank you, Melanie. Hi, all. Kevin Griffin here. I'm happy to mention a couple of key areas of focus for us within our sports vertical. The first is our end-to-end connectivity strategy. We have a robust set of fiber and mobile options that can really unlock significant opportunities for your organization, from scalable, high-burstable Ethernet connectivity to cloud and video connectivity, to 5G services such as millimeter wave, sub-6, private 5G, as well as private LTE leveraging CBRS. We excel in helping customers tailor a solution that best fits your needs. Second is that end-to-end guest journey. That's really built off of the connectivity strategy. And whether your guests are at their home, in the venue, or outside the venue, we can really enable a unique customer experience, be it frictionless, digital, or personalized, unlike any other. Let me turn it over to my colleague, Dave, and he's going to take you through a couple of examples.
Thank you, Kevin. This is Dave McDonald. And a few of the examples that we could highlight would be our augmented reality, virtual reality, the Pose with the Pros, where fans can go up and actually select players and get a picture delivered to them on their camera in just seconds, immersing them even further into the activities around a game. This option has also gone virtual now, where fans can do this from their home. Another instance of where this technology is moving forward is the ability to do hologram interviews. This technology allows us to safely interview somebody if they're in a situation where they can't be in public to be interviewed. Our current environment has a lot of that, and this technology overcomes those obstacles. The third one would be the ability to produce broadcast video using 5G and edge computing and passing it out to either a streaming platform or a true broadcast truck for consumption by your fans.
Thanks, Dave. GS actually represents a leap forward in the terrestrial fiber-based broadcast network. Our seamless integration of our ultra-low latency network design with the scale of AT&T's expansive network provides our customers with a truly innovative production experience. With over 425 and growing network points of presence, AT&T GVS Total Solution Design philosophy takes in aspects of all live broadcasting into consideration. AT&T works and partners with the best in the industry to adapt to the changing service landscape, supporting collaborative remote production to truly integrated solutions. From live contribution to master control of multi-platform environments, AT&T GVS is committed to service dependability, flexibility, which are the hallmarks of our service philosophy. Best-in-class service, putting our customers first.
Getting your content to your audience is becoming increasingly diverse and complex. Reliability matters, and time is precious.
Here we go, game 10, Pittsburgh in 3, 2, 1.
Open my cue, ready, game 10? Go.
You're looking for integrated solutions. AT&T Global Video Solutions makes your job easier and your production cycles faster by delivering a more efficient workflow with redundancy, data integration, 5G advancements, flexible options, and world-class customer service. No other service provider can match the depth of our experience, the global reach of our network, or the breadth of services we provide. Our renowned high-speed fiber optic network delivers major broadcasts like the Super Bowl and the Olympics with low-latency, hitless video and data, creating an optimal viewing experience. Global Video Solutions, Media Connected.
All right, I hope you're enjoying the SVG Tech Tour on transmission technology. We're back here with Adam Whitlock, SVG Transport Chairman and heads Associate Director of Transmission over at ESPN. Adam, what is one thing that you are most proud of over the last 9 months? It's been a challenging time for everyone, and you guys have really had to come up with some new workflows. So what was one big game changer for you guys at ESPN?
Yeah, the big one here was the at-home workflows supporting the on-camera commentary. That's just been a huge game changer for us. It's a real enabler of live event production. So kind of a no-brainer from my perspective, but that's been a huge one for us.
Sure, yeah. And that allowed you guys to get back. First, KBO baseball is kind of how it started. And then eventually there was, a bunch of live from home commentary kits out there and other pieces of the ecosystem that can be off-site now, right?
Absolutely, yeah. We were able to enable a couple of studio shows as well with the Jump and Around the Horn, and we quickly morphed into live event production, where our on-camera commentary really added something to the productions, but it also enabled them to be possible. Otherwise, just in the current climate, we wouldn't have been able to have their services or include them in the event. So I think that's been huge for us.
Yeah, we're all thankful for it because it means we got to watch sports after that little dead period. Cool. Thanks, Adam. We're going to go to a couple more tech tours now, and we'll be back to close things out with you in just a few minutes. Enjoy these next few tech tours.
Sachin Agrawal. I'm the Worldwide Product Management Lead for IBM Aspera. I'm pleased to be with you today as part of this SVG event, and I just want to share some interesting and exciting developments we have going on at Aspera. As you may know, our commitment to the media and entertainment and sports industry continues to be recognized. We are a 2-time NAB Show Product of the Year for the year 2020, one for our Orchestrator product, as many of you know, as our robust workflow engine that consolidates and orchestrates all of your high-speed transfer needs your workflow needs, your review needs, and everything else to make sure that your complex media workflows get from point A to point B all the way to distribution. The second thing that we're very proud of is our integration with our partners at Irdeto for our forensic watermarking product that has seamless on-the-fly forensic watermarking invisible to the human eye as one click in the AOC UI, with our commitment to third-party clouds, including Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform. I want to talk a little bit about how we see Aspera enabling your business. Our core value proposition is about the business transformation that we enable. Obviously, yes, Aspera is known for our speed, for our security, and our reliability. But on top of that, powered by FAST, we built a wide range of products to meet a wide variety of use cases, especially those in media, entertainment, and live sports video production. Our mission is to transform businesses with the power of our patented FAST technology. As you may know, we have a wide variety of products in our portfolio: Console, Orchestrator, the Transfer Server, Aspera Sync, FastSpecs, etc. Other things that we have are the HTTP gateway, various SDKs, the Aspera proxy to protect your networks, and the embeddable option called FastBio that we released earlier this year. What we're very excited about is our new IBM Aspera Enterprise. This is a super server that includes unlimited access to the various parts of the Aspera portfolio. You now get unlimited file sync, unlimited web apps, including Console, FastSpecs, and Shares, your ability to deploy those in an HA environment now unlocked with Enterprise. Unlimited client apps with unlimited users. So feel free to deploy Cargo, Drive to everyone in your organization. Unlimited Aspera proxies to protect your network worldwide. Unlimited HTTP gateways for when that last mile you cannot use the power of Aspera Connect. And streaming. The power of Aspera streaming through FastStream is now included for everyone in this new IBM Aspera Enterprise. You've all heard us talk about our work with the Fox Sports team at the Women's World Cup, the Super Bowl, and other events. Now we're pleased to bring that capability to everyone with this consolidated IBM Aspera Enterprise offering. It's very, very simple. It's a super server served based on throughput, or called bandwidth, just as we currently do for the Aspera high-speed transfer server. We added that fast stream functionality as a feature, no longer as a separate server that you have to install. All three of those web apps that I talked about, Orchestrator, Aspera Proxy, and the HTTP Gateway, again, all the free clients, all the paid clients, and Aspera async binary for unlimited file synchronization across all of the places that you installed IBM Aspera Enterprise. And now you no longer have to use the Aspera Developer Network to get access for API and SDK support. That's now included out of the box. For those of you that have hub and spoke deployments or smaller footprints, the IBM Aspera endpoint is the next generation of the high-speed transfer endpoint. Like the HSTS used to be and IBM Aspera Enterprise currently is, and adds in async and fast stream for unlimited file sync and that power of live video and live data streaming. This is intended for hub and spoke deployments and really is to be used to leverage your IBM Aspera Enterprise investments. This consolidation is good for you and it's good for us because it allows you to get the full power of FAST, and it allows us to standardize and work on our engineering efforts in a way that allows us to increase and further widen our lead in the accelerated file and accelerated data transfer space. Trading up is super easy. We respect your investments, and we will streamline our engineering and support to make this happen. We have a project office that you can reach out to or have your sales rep reach out to help facilitate these trade-ups into IBM Aspera Enterprise. We have IBM Aspera Enterprise and Endpoint for when you choose to install and manage your software and want to pay for it upfront for perpetual licensing. If you have a wide number of servers and you can predict your transfer volume, the Aspera On Demand option may be a better option for consumption-based licensing. You install it, you manage it, you're in full control. If you want to use the power of the cloud natively as software as a service, we have Aspera on Cloud. We now have this FastBio offering for embedded use cases where you want to drop in the power of Aspera into your existing custom software. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.
LiveU provides the best quality live video coverage for sporting events for broadcast, online, and social media. Our portfolio of hardware-based HEVC transmission solutions enables broadcasters, production companies, and sports organizations to transmit and produce compelling live content. LiveU has been the pioneer in what some refer to as REMI, or at-home production. This evolutionary approach to production has dramatically increased the number of live sporting events produced today. But what is at-home production? Why is it enabling some of the most unique sports in some of the most remote areas to be broadcast live? Simply put, rather than sending a full production truck and crew to every event, broadcasters can simply send cameras and LiveU encoders to site and backhaul those individual video sources to an off-site production facility and control room. From there, the full production can be done from the centralized location. This workflow and its benefits are immense. It optimizes resources to produce more events, not relying on wheels and travel to produce. It keeps the wear and tear on your most expensive hardware low. With today's COVID-19 protocols, having reduced people on site and reducing travel needs is a critical advantage of LiveU's at-home production solution. Additionally, with today's budget limitations, innovating how we produce content is more important than ever.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2020 Cartier Queen's Cup.
So today we are at the Guards Polo Club. We are filming the Cartier Queen's Cup, one of the most prestigious tournaments in the world. It's played by the best players, the best horses, so therefore we try to cover it as best as we can. This year we've teamed up with LiveU. We are using the 800. We've been previously using the 600. It's given us, I think, the best coverage we've ever had.
The LU800 offers up to 4 1080p 60 fully frame synced feeds from a single portable unit using IP bonding of up to 14 connections.
This year has been a pleasure. We have the 800. We can run 4 cameras from it. We have 2 600s on each end zone. No mess, it's simple, it's easy, and it sends a signal straight back to South Africa or Argentina or anywhere in the world. We can really show the excitement and the passion, and it's just been a lovely experience.
LiveU's technology is unique in its approach to at-home production. With our precision timing technology and bonded network connectivity, customers can produce multi-camera live sporting events using wireless or wired technology. Whether it's a golf tournament, a high-revving motorsport series, a baseball game, or even something as unique as polo, LiveU has been there and can provide the right solution. IP Pipe is our next-level remote production feature, giving you a layer 2 connection between your encoder and receiver. This could allow you remote control over a wide range of network-based equipment, such as PTZ cameras, camera control units, or to send ancillary data back to the control room. We also offer a rich set of production tools for smooth communication between on-site crews and remote production teams, including video return, tally lights, and audio connect. Live feeds can also be shared to a larger audience as part of an end-to-end content workflow. The LiveU Matrix cloud-based content management and distribution platform provides a new way to share and distribute broadcast quality live video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We here at LiveU look forward to the full return of sports and a better future for us all.
All right, and we are back to close things out for this tech tour with SVG Transport Chair Adam Whitlock of ESPN. Adam, nobody's got a crystal ball, especially right now. We know that for sure. But I'm curious, do you have one big prediction for 2021 that you're willing to give us about the sports media and sports production industry?
Listen, a lot of uncertainty for sure, but I'd like to put an exclamation point on this and just say we're all in, right? We're going to go in and do much more, and I suspect we're going to need a whole lot more transmission services to be able to support the more that we're going to produce. So that's my bold prediction: is we're all in, and we're going to do much more than we did in the past.
That's great. Good to hear more. That's what we will be doing in 2021. I'm sure we're going to see all kinds of events from ESPN and cool workflows like you guys have worked on. Adam, really appreciate you joining us, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. Take care.
And I hope everybody enjoyed this SVG Tech Tour. Make sure to check out the rest of the tech tours here at thesvgsummit.com.